country are health administrations on test. I'm joined by some of them. Satyendra Jain, Delhi's health minister, is joining me. I'm also joined by Rajesh Tope, Maharashtra's health minister, joins me from, and I'm joined by J. Radhakrishnan, Tamil Nadu's health secretary. Appreciate all of you joining us on the show. Satyendra Jain ji, let me start with you in the national capital. The government, I'm told, of Delhi is promising in any case free vaccinations to all. दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा वैक्सीनेशन ड्राइव कल से शुरू हो रहा है. क्या आप पूरी तरह से तैयार हैं? All systems go for tomorrow?
हाँ बिल्कुल, दिल्ली की तैयारियां बिल्कुल तैयार दुरुस्त हैं. हम दिल्ली के अंदर कल 81 साइट्स पर इसको स्टार्ट करेंगे, जिसमें सरकारी भी और प्राइवेट भी दोनों तरह के हॉस्पिटल्स हैं ज़्यादातर, और एक सेंटर पर 100 लोगों को इसमें वैक्सीन लगाई जाएगी.
ये कहा जा रहा है कि अगर किसी को वैक्सीनेशन के बाद साइड इफेक्ट्स हो, अगर हो, तो क्या पूरी तैयारी है उस प्रॉब्लम को निपटाने के लिए? पूरी तरह से बंदोबस्त है?
जितनी भी हमारी लोकेशंस हैं, जितनी भी हमारी साइट्स हैं, सभी साइट्स के ऊपर हमने स्टैंडिंग इंस्ट्रक्शंस हैं कि एडवर्स इवेंट्स के हालात के अंदर उसको किस तरह से निपटा जाए, और सभी जो भी लोग वैक्सीन लगवाएंगे उनको वैक्सीन लगवाने के बाद 30 मिनट्स तक ऑब्जर्वेशन में वहीं पर रखा जाएगा. देखिएगा, बहुत ही रेयर चांस होते हैं कि किसी तरह का एडवर्स रिएक्शन हो, पर फिर भी बहुत ही एहतियात के तौर पर अबेंडेंट कॉशन की तरह से हम 30 मिनट्स के लिए वहीं पर उसको रखेंगे, ताकि कोई भी बात होती है तो उसको वहाँ पे डील किया जा सके.
Okay, let's start from Delhi to Maharashtra, because remember, Maharashtra, Mumbai has been the worst affected by COVID. Mr. Tope, Health Minister, Maharashtra, fully geared up for the vaccination distribution. I'm told that Uddhav Thackeray ji is launching it at 11:15 a.m. tomorrow, but fully prepared Maharashtra, given the scale of what is required in a much larger state like that?
Surely, this is Maharashtra is very well prepared. Like, we are planning of 511 at 511 centers. In each of the center, we are planning to vaccinate 100 people. So, in the first go, that is on the first day, 16th of January, we are planning to have more than 50,000 vaccinations. So, we are geared up with the manpower. 16,000 vaccinators are well trained. There is a cold chain which is in place to maintain 2 to 8 degrees temperature of the vaccine.
You're saying all the centers are equally prepared with cold storage centers, qualified vaccinators presumably, but this is not just true presumably of Mumbai, Pune, but across Maharashtra. I'm told in Jalgaon, which has been badly affected in rural Maharashtra, there also the vaccination drive will take place. So this is going to be across the rural-urban divide in Maharashtra. Am I correct?
You see, we are now at first for the health all Karmachari, those for them we are having vaccination only in the district places and the sub-district places. Actually, we are not going to the remotest, that is the PSCs and the sub-centers. Those are 1,800 and 4,000 in numbers. We are not going in those areas. But of course, we for the health workers, the numbers are 8 lakhs, which were updated on the COVID app, and we are planning to finish it off within a span of 2.5 months to 3 months maximum. So
2.5.
It's not that we are in very much hurry.
Okay, so within 2.5 to 3 months, you will complete this first phase. I want to come to you, Mr. Radhakrishnan. The two vaccines, your health secretary, Tamil Nadu, the two vaccines are relatively new. There has been unease expressed in some quarters over it, but is there enthusiasm that you sense among health workers, among those who, particularly government health workers? Are they fully on board to take the vaccine come tomorrow?
See, in all these things, we'll have to wait till tomorrow, but I can assure you that 4.89 lakh health workers have registered. Initially, we have started only with these 166 centers. Definitely, a bit of anxiety will be there, but a lot of prominent doctors have registered that, they would be, who are very popular and very famous doctors have registered, and a few of them are also taking this Covaxin, some of them are taking Covishield. So they all are going to build the confidence among a set of people who are likely to have doubts, but by and large the people who have agreed to come tomorrow are all aware of the vaccination and are waiting for the vaccine. It's a very important milestone. So these are small issues. I'm sure over a period of time, I think all the remaining also should be getting covered.
You know, it's interesting that, of course, this first round is taking place through allotments of whether you get Covishield or Covaxin. Now, Tamil Nadu has been allotted both Covishield and Covaxin. Are you following any strategy to ensure there are enough doses, Mr. Radhakrishnan, particularly for the second shot? Because there are some experts who are worried about supply being a challenge at times in some states.
See, strategically, even though we are very confident and sure that Government of India will be, in phased manner supplying additional doses of vaccine, we have got roughly 5,35,000 doses of, 36,500 doses of Covishield and 20,000 doses of Covaxin. We are planning to initially, limit the number to 2,25,000 odd people together, so that we are having the second dose also ready. But we have been assured that the additional, only the first tranche will be getting the additional tranches, but as and when we get the additional tranches, it will keep getting expanded, this vaccination. So now it's only focused on the healthcare workers. The frontline workers have time till 25th to register.
Okay. Well, all I can say is I wish Satyendra Jain, Mr. Tope, Mr. Radhakrishnan, all the health ministers across the country the very best. I know that all of you have a big challenge come tomorrow to ensure that the process goes smoothly. We wish you all the very best for V-Day. Thank you very much for joining me. Let's turn from there to my good news story. I always have a good news